And a rectangular, this is unit A review. A rectangular closet is 3 feet deep, 5 feet wide, and 8 feet tall. What is the volume of the closet in cubic feet? This is a rectangular prism. So I'm going to draw my closet. So here's my closet, okay? And then we go connect up, and you can, draw the attachment to your closet right there. So I'm going to label my pieces. If it's 3 feet deep, that's deep, then 5 feet wide, and 8 feet in height. Okay, I'm still finding the volume. My volume formula is volume equals big B times H. And we discussed that big B means area of the base. So the base is a rectangle. So you put in the area formula for a rectangle, which is base times height or length times width, whichever one you're comfortable with. Okay, base times height, and then bring down your height from there. So my base is 5, my height is 3, and the height of my prism is 8. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 times 8 is 120. So volume equals 120 feet cubed, which is answer choice B. Okay, am I going too fast? No. Please have all of that written down. Okay, number 2. A box is shaped like a triangular prism. How many cubic meters can the box hold? Anytime it says hold or filled up or whatever, we're talking volume. So it uses that same formula because it's still a prism, but then we insert the area of the base. That's a triangular prism, so the base is a triangle. So we do base times height divided by 2 times height. Okay? The other option is you do base times height divided by 2. Those either or will work. Okay? But if I look at my base here, this is my base shape, and it says 12 by 16 divided by 2 times 20. Okay? So 12 times 16. I don't know 12 times 16. I know it's come up recently, but I know 16 divided by 2, and it's what? 8. 12 times 8 times 20. I know 12 times 8, it's 96. 96 times 20 is 1,920, which matches letter choice F. So the volume of that triangular prism is 1,920. Everybody see what we did there? Okay. Number 3, Sean received the following box below full of candy. How many cubic centimeters of candy will he get? We're still talking volume. It's the same as above. Okay. What's the matter? Okay. So I'm going to plug in my area formula times height. Okay, so 8 is my base. 3 is my height. And then 12 is the height of my prism. So there's where I get all my numbers from, okay? 8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 2 times 12. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is 12. 12 times 12 is 144, which is C. Guys, I'm not skipping any of the work. I'm doing it all the way out, okay? So make sure that that's a part of what you're doing. Okay, here's where I think some of y'all struggled just a little bit. It's talking about a square pyramid, and it says the sides measure 10 inches. So all the sides is square. The height is 6. So I'm going to label all the things it gives me. It already drew the picture for me. Label all the things it gives you. How many cubic inches of water could it hold if it turned into an aquarium? So that means volume. Volume of a pyramid is on your formula chart. It's what? 1/3 big B times H. Right? Yeah. Okay. What's my base on this figure?
10.
Well, no, what shape is it first?
Rectangle.
Rectangle or a square. So I'm going to put 1/3 base times height because that's what I'm inserting, right?
Yeah.
For this. And then I'm dropping that down. 1/3. I'm sorry. Oh, yes. Good catch. 1/3. Okay? Because it's a pyramid. Okay? What's the matter?
What?
You said what?
Oh, it's because you had 1/2.
Okay. So my base is 10. My height is 10. My other height is 6. and times 1/3. Okay, remember how we did this when we talked about this? I said take 1/3 of something easy. Well, if it can. 1/3 of 6 is 2. So that's an easy number to go ahead and take 1/3 of, and then you're done with it. So I would do 10 times 10 times 2. So 10 times 10 is
100.
100. 100 times 2 is 200. Bam. Okay. What?
Did you just put 10 squared if there's an exact number?
10 squared and what?
10 times 10.
Yes on that, but that's not the formula, so I was just breaking down that formula. Number 5, the pyramid of Kharafe is a pyramid in Egypt. Each side of the base measures 50 meters. So 50 meters, 50 meters, and had an original height of 66 meters. Okay. How much treasure could fit inside the pyramid? So we're looking at volume again. So you're breaking it down volume. 1/3 big B times H. Our base is a what? It's still a rectangle, right? So 1/3 base times height times height. Okay. What's my base? 50. What's my height of my base? 50. What's the height of my prism? 66. Okay, do you know 66 is divisible by 3?
22.
Yeah, it is. So no, if something's divisible by 3, go ahead and take that out of there. So yeah, 22. 1/3 of 66 is 22 times 50 times 50. Okay, I know 50 times 50 is 2,500, right?
Yeah.
Y'all agree with me?
Yeah.
I'm going to do that first, times 22. Remember, order does not matter on multiplication. We just do what we know. So 20, oh man, sorry, it dropped off the thing. I'll get it back up here. So 2,500 times 22. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 5. 0, 0, 0, 5, 5. So I got 55,000 meters cubed. Okay. Number 6. Okay, the box of cereal shown below has a volume of 126 inches cubed. The area of the base is 14 inches cubed. Okay, note. Guys, pay attention to this. Volume is this. Area of the base is this. They're already giving you the area of the base. What is the height? Okay, so we got to work backwards here. So the formula is big B times H, base times height, right? That's the formula. What did they give us? They gave us this. So they gave us this side. They gave us area of the base, which is these two together. So this is this. We don't know that. Is that something we can solve?
Yeah.
Yes, working backwards. 14 times H, the opposite of multiplying by 14 is dividing by 14. 14. So 126 divided by 14. 8, did you try 8? 9? Perfect. Okay.
You also do 14 times 9, 14 times 7, 14 times 8, 14 times 11.
Yeah, you could have done that. So, which is answer choice F. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop this one, and then we'll finish the second video because, anything longer than 10 minutes gets a little eek.